Hi! Last time I've shared on my channel yung mga US visa interview tips ko that got me approved as a first-time traveler, and today I will be sharing with you the new process of US B1 B2 visa application as of September 28, 2024. Okay, so let's start. The new process consists of two major changes, which is number one is they have a new website. The new website looks new, of course, user-friendly and more secured. Second is they added a new appointment and a location. This is called the Visa Application Center or VAC located in Parcal, Parañaque. This is for photo and biometrics capturing. So before kasi sa US Embassy nandun na rin yung biometrics and then photo capturing, or magdadala ka ng one by one picture and then yun yung ika-capture nila. So ngayon hiniwalay nila yon. And now let's jump into the new process. This is quite long kaya allow me to read it from my iPad ulit. Sa new system, the first step will be you need to sign up and create an account. Ilalagay ko dyan sa may link sa description yung official na website nung US visa application. Ngayon, ang pinaka-note dito is one email and one account for each applicant. Yun yung pinaka-note niya. Once you have signed up and created an account, you need to log in. So sa login, doon lalabas yung username mo and then itatype mo yung password mo. May added security yung login doon sa new website, which is you need to answer 2 security questions before ka makalogin doon sa may portal. Then once you have logged in, magpo-prompt agad na you need to complete your profile creation. Once done, you can now schedule your appointments. To schedule your appointment, you need to click start and you need to enter the required applicant details or your details such as name, country of application, gender, and then country of birth. Next dyan is yung contact information wherein you need to put your mobile number, email, mailing address, and then passport information. And then after that, magpa-prompt naman dyan yung visa options wherein you need to select your visa type of application. And then kung saan yung embassy location, which is yung sa may Malate or sa may Manila. And then next is yung visa category. And after nun, you need to enter the DS-160 or DS-260 confirmation number. Nga pala guys, this new process is started once na ma-fill up mo na yung DS-160 form mo and magkaroon ka ng confirmation number. After you have entered your DS-160 form and then click submit, you will be able to see the document delivery page wherein mamimili ka kung pick up ba siya or delivery. So ngayon, when you choose delivery options, you need to provide your delivery address kung saan ipapadala yung passport mo once na ma-approve yung US visa mo. Right after that, pagpa-prompt naman na you can now pay your visa fee. Nga pala, yung visa fee is $185. So right now, as of this creating this video is nasa around 11,000 pesos siya. By the way, cash, which is paid through RCBC or card is already available. If you choose card, right after your payment, you will be returned to the US visa application page, wherein if the payment is already posted, you'll be able to see your payment details and will show the submit button. Once you have done all the process that I've shared with you, you'll now be able to schedule your appointments. But take note that you need 2 appointments right now. Prior this process kasi, you only need 1 appointment. And what are those 2 appointments? One is the appointment to the VAC wherein ika-capture yung photo mo and then biometrics and then passport collection. The second appointment will be your US visa interview questions, which is yung sa US Embassy. Sa pag-schedule ng appointment, may magpa-pop up na window wherein you need to select yung applicant and then yung calendar and then click next. So on your first appointment, meron doon yung appointment mo to the Visa Application Center or VAC na located nga sa Parañaque. So ang main goal noon is to capture photo and then bio. Ano yung mga kailangan mong dalhin? So first is the printed appointment letter. Next is the application form and then passport. So yung tatlo lang na yon. You need to go to Parcal Building, I think floor number 3 at the Parañaque City. Reminder lang guys, no cell phones, no gadgets, and vape. or other gadgets pagka pumunta kayo doon. And then after nyo makaset ng appointment sa VAC, you will also be able to select or schedule your appointment naman para sa US visa interview na. So that's the usual process na you need to go to the US Embassy na located nga sa may Ross Boulevard sa may Manila. You need to go to the interview questions ng consul. And after that, you're done. And good luck to your interview sa US visa application mo. And guys, if kailangan nyo maging ready sa inyong interview para sa US visa, and then kung ano yung mga actual na tinanong sa akin nung nag-apply ako, may mga in-upload akong video dyan sa my channel ko. You just need to go to my videos and then select yung playlist na US visa. Then makikita nyo na doon yung dalawa pang video na in-upload ko before. Hopefully helps you on preparing for your US visa application. And yun lang guys, and para updated kayo sa mga ina-upload ko and ma-share ko sa inyo yung mga experiences ko. Yun lang guys, and if you have any questions, please drop down a comment below and I will be happy to answer that. And yeah, see you sa next video. Thank you!